In this video, I will be exploring the box breathing exercise, the ultimate stress reducer. Life can be hectic and stress can build up fast, leaving many feeling overwhelmed and anxious. But box breathing is a simple and effective tool to help you calm down and find peace. This simple yet powerful technique can help you reduce stress and improve focus in just a few minutes. To deal with stress and pressure in my own life, I needed to learn effective ways of interrupting the stress response in my brain. And I found breathing exercises are a really effective way to do this. And today I would like to teach you one of my favorite breathing exercises. Hello there. It is my pleasure to speak with you today. My name is Dr. Sean Garrity from Reduce Stress and Thrive at reducestress.life. I help purpose-driven lifelong learners who are experiencing stress, anxiety, and overwhelm through mindset and spiritual practices that improve their emotional well-being and increase peace in their ability to thrive. Before we begin, I want to encourage you to grab your free ultimate guide to reducing daily stress in the link below this video. So box breathing, also known as four-square breathing, is a breathing technique used by Navy SEALs, athletes, and everyday people to manage stress, increase focus, improve overall well-being. It's a simple exercise that involves inhaling, holding your breath, exhaling, and holding your breath again, all for equal counts. Box breathing works by activating your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to calm your body and mind. It also helps to increase your focus and mental clarity by bringing your attention to your breath. Plus, it's easy to do anywhere, anytime, making it a perfect tool for stress reduction. Now let's learn how to do box breathing. Find a comfortable seated position and follow these steps. First, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Second, hold your breath for a count of 4. Third, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. And then fourth, hold your breath again for a count of 4. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes or until you feel more relaxed and focused. So let's try this out and practice. Remember to keep your breathing slow and controlled and focus on the counting to help clear your mind. First, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then hold your breath for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath again for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Box breathing has numerous benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving focus and concentration, lowering blood pressure, increasing mental clarity, and promoting relaxation and calmness. By practicing box breathing regularly, you can train your body and mind to better handle stress and improve your overall well-being. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your box breathing practice. Practice in a quiet, comfortable space. Start with shorter counts if 4 seconds feels too long, and then gradually increase the duration of your practice as you become more comfortable. Use box breathing as a daily stress management tool or whenever you need a quick mental reset. I want to encourage you to grab your free ultimate guide to reducing daily stress today by clicking the link in the description. So there you have it, folks. Box breathing is a powerful and easy to learn technique that can help you manage stress, improve focus, and even enhance your sleep quality. By incorporating this simple exercise into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to a calmer, more centered, and more resilient you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and techniques to improve your well-being. And don't forget to share your experiences with box breathing in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Don't forget to grab your free guide. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to breathe easy and stay stress-free.